Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and market is not behaving like a typical Monday market. Right after the market opening, we got to see some crazy volatility in the market. Gold made a high of 235354, and right now we can see that gold is little tired and coming down for retracement. This is the markets and gold hits all-time high. So as we have already discussed in our previous videos, if you're a swing trader, positional trader, if you're holding buy on gold, be on the trade, no need to exit because further upside is very much possible. And at this moment, nobody knows where is the top. There is no resistance in the market, and as we all know, market sentiment is above all. Market sentiment is bullish, so try to ride the trend of the market instead of standing against the trend. Okay, so if you're a swing trader, positional trader, doesn't matter if you have a buy, be on the trade, do not exit because fundamentally and technically, we do not have any indication of trend reversal yet. And as I have already discussed in our previous videos also, that this is no longer a day traders market. This is a market where you just buy at retracement and you sit and just enjoy the ride. Okay. And my dear friends, if you're looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. So the levels that we discussed on Saturday are more or less still very much valid. And in this situation, the number of trading opportunities are very limited because this is a purely trending market. Market sentiment is driving. So you just need to ride the trend. So as we had discussed that in this market, okay, 2200 is the best level where we can look for a buy position, and then we also have 2250, but the problem is that market is standing at 2341 right now, and 2200 2250 are far away from the current market price. After a few days, if market shows deep correction, then we may expect the market to bounce on 2200 2250, but at this moment, okay, it's just wastage of time if we discuss about these levels. So our immediate support was around 2300, okay, that we discussed on Saturday, 2300 to 2305, and right after the market opening, market bounced beautifully from the level. So it's well and good. Okay, during the day, if market again comes down to 2300 2305 level, again we can expect a bounce if the market is not crazy volatile, especially during the Asian session and European session. US session is little different. Okay, US session acts little crazy. So during the Asian session and European session, if market takes support around 2300 2305, we can definitely expect a bounce again. And in case market breaks the level, then we have the next support around 2286 that we discussed earlier also, 2286, but this time 2286 to 2290. This is the second support. So this is the first support from where market has already bounced. Hopefully you guys made nice profit, and the second support is this 2286 to 2290. The third is 2250, but I don't think so. In this situation, the market will be heading towards 2250. Okay, so the overall strategy is still the same: buy at retracement. Buy at retracement is the best trading strategy in this market situation. And if market comes for retracement, you can look for buy around these three levels. And when market doesn't come for retracement, when the market is too adamant, in that scenario, okay, we cannot do anything. We cannot force the market to come down, isn't it? So in that case, buy at breakout. What? Buy at breakout is the only trading strategy. And buy at breakout has given us nice profit in last couple of weeks and months. So buy at breakout is still very much valid. But never forget, in comparison to buy retracement, buy breakout is on the riskier side because your risk to reward ratio sometimes is not in your favor. Sometimes the risk to reward ratio is not very favorable. Okay, your SL is 100 pips, you get breakout of 40 50 pips. So buy breakout is on the riskier side, but Okay, so if you go for buy breakout, which is if the gold doesn't come for retracement, and if you see gold going above 2355 level, you can go for a buy. But again, I'm repeating, follow proper risk management. Follow proper risk management, use proper stop loss, and do not gamble. Okay, so things are a little very difficult to understand right now because the market has not come for proper retracement yet, only small retracement, but market is very bullish, so we cannot go for a sell also. For example, if you look at the chart of gold right now, you can clearly see that we have a divergence. Okay, so yes, market may show some retracement and we should not be surprised, but what about the proper retracement? Okay, the proper retracement is still due, because if we look at the daily chart of gold, we can clearly see the market is standing at the top and market has not shown any proper retracement, and then only we can expect the market to go up again. And nobody knows when the retracement is about to come, from where the market will reverse. Okay, nobody can predict the top and bottom of the market. If you have listened to the interviews of Warren Buffett, then you must be knowing that it is not possible to predict the tops and bottoms of the market. And the only way to make money or survive in a market is to follow the trend of the market. So do not try to predict the market, try to react according to the market situation. That's what I have been following for the last 7 8 years. Okay, though I have been trading for more than a decade, but yes, this thing I learned after losing for almost 2 years, 2.5 years, that we will have to stop predicting the market. We will have to learn how to react according to the market. Okay, so that's a different chapter. Okay, I do not want to bore you guys with my past experiences. Okay, but be careful, do not gamble. And if you see the market like this, then we have another buy level around 2329. Okay, we have another buy level around 2329 to 2325. Okay, you can see that I have also drawn a red line here, dotted line. The previous resistance will be working as support, and if we move to a lower time frame like 15 minutes, my dear friends, 15 minutes time frame is not very reliable, especially the Fibonacci do not work uh, accurately the way it does in 1 hour time frame or 4 hours time frame. But still, if we draw Fibo here, we can see that around the previous resistance of 2329, we have Fibo 50% retracement level. So during the Asian session, especially if you see gold is coming down, then you can also observe the market around this area, 2329 2328 area. As a day trader, you can hit the buy button, but it's from the 15 minutes time frame, so be careful. Okay, so otherwise, okay, 2300 2305 is still very much valid because it's also round number. Then we have 2286 to 2290 because we have the 100 moving average coming up, but sometimes market doesn't come, especially on the case of gold. We have seen that gold is not ready to come down. So in that case, you can also observe the market at 2329 2325 area as well. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, be careful, follow proper risk management.